So for this course, Glitchy People Change the World, we're on session 15, but on module 14. We're talking about making stuff. So my wife thinks I'm crazy. I paint my own house instead of hiring a pro. I repair my own dishwasher. I file my own taxes. And to me, it's not necessarily about saving money. It's about maintaining skills. It's about using my hands. And filing taxes is not really manual labor, but is a skill. Today, most of our contact with the world is through screens. We've got phones, we've got tablets, we've got televisions. So, touching real things is more important than ever because being tactile, is touching things, it helps your creativity. The trend in our as a society is positive. Our society is starting to remember that we should make stuff. It's called the maker movement. Tinkerers, hackers, and designers meet together and make stuff. Individuals around the world are gathering to support each other. There's a magazine dedicated to the movement. So you don't need to join a movement. You don't need to attend an event, but you should make something. Don't outsource your entire life because creativity is more than new ideas. It's about new stuff. When you at least try to make something, you learn something about what is possible. Interesting trend. Some tech firms are returning to manufacturing in-house. They're bringing the stuff back on shore. Don't outsource your whole life. Don't fear getting your hands dirty. If you don't have money to make your art, crowdfund. Need a push? Try one of these projects to get you started. Plant a flower from seed. Better yet, plant and raise a bonsai tree. Craft something you normally buy, like homemade toothpaste or soap, for example. And then meet me back here for the next module. I'd love to hear back, comment about your project.